I just want to share this video. My blood parrot fish just lay an egg, if you can see it. And I did some research on it. They said that the parents, which is happened to be these two, they will become very protective, and anyone who will go near at them, they will chase them away from the eggs. Okay, so that is what is happening now. See, they will try to chase them away from the eggs. Actually, they are very protective from the eggs. So I hope that these eggs are fertile, and they are like transparent. See, even me, they are they are after me. Okay. They also said that after 3 to 4 days, the egg will hatched and fry will be coming out. Okay guys, stay tuned and next for my next video.